There is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy, and God, I know I'm one. Hey, how you going, guys? Today's video is on House of the Rising Sun. Now this is quite an easy song, but it has a little bit of a difficult chord in it, which is the F chord. So I'm going to give a bit more time to the F chord. I'll walk you through it. I'll come in close so you can see how it's done. But main important thing that you have to learn is the picking style. So the picking is an alternate style of picking. So I'll come in close so you can see what I'm doing with the chords. Firstly, I'll just quickly run you through the chords so you'll have them pop up on the screen. First chord is an A minor. Then a C chord. Now the change from the A minor to the C is quite simple. It's just a one finger movement. Okay, and then from A minor to C, then you go to D, then to F, which is the difficult one I'm going to run you through real quickly. Then you also need an E chord, which is the same shape as an A minor chord, so quite easy to remember that way. And they're the chords you need. So for the A chord, you'll pick the 5th string first, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Okay, these bottom 3 strings are a reoccurring part of the pattern. So the only thing that changes with the chords is the root note. So for an A chord, the root note is the 5th string. C chord, same string. D chord has the D string as a root note. Sorry. F chord has the 4th string also as a root note. And you'll see that it's a reoccurring pattern of 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. And now the E string has the E string as a root note and the reoccurring pattern at the bottom. So it's quite a simple picking pattern. And I'll also explain to you the running picking pattern that you heard me do at the start is I simply start from the top, skip over the note that I normally miss, so, and I get that timing there. So if you want to practice that, I'll play it a couple of times so you can practice along with it. Okay, so that's similar to the way it's played in the video, on the film clip, sorry. So if you practice that, practice along with the video, get that little timing and then speed it up and play along with the video and you'll have the song down pat. But as a beginner, it's fine to just play it like that. Okay, the F chord has 2 strings pressed on the bottom string. Now in order to do this, I put my finger in a bit of an angle, but I'm covering 2 strings at once. The next 2 notes are 3rd string and 4th string, okay? But these 2 are the difficult ones. A lot of people's fingers tend to move up as they try to press the bar on the F chord. This is normal. You're just going to have to find a comfortable position to put your first finger in order to cover both of those strings at once. So it'll take a bit of mucking around, but you'll find out what works comfortable for you soon enough. And then so for me it's on a slight angle, 3rd string and 4th string. So I know you can't see that because of my fingers, but 3rd string with the 2nd finger and 4th string with the 3rd finger. And then you have your F chord. Alright guys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that. That was House of the Rising Sun. It's a great song, it's lots of fun, and it'll teach you a lot of things, including the F chord, how to alternately pick, and how to sing, because it's an easy song to sing. And everybody knows it. Most people know it anyway. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not a subscriber of the channel, be sure to subscribe. I upload videos every week. And if you have any songs you might like me to break down for beginners, please mention it in the comments. Also, tell me what you find the most difficult about the F chord. I'd love you to mention that in the comments. It will help me out to improve my teaching. So, thanks again guys for being loyal subscribers, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.